स्टार्ट कर दिए. हेलो, हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज पल्लवी. गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. कैसे हो आप लोग? हाय रंगा, हाय अब्दुल, हाय सुनीता. ओके, हाय रितेश, hi Naveen. So many people, 4,000 people have joined. Such a great morning, guys. And there is nothing more pleasuring than sex. And we are starting our morning on a note of pleasure. I'm good, Ranga. Hi Ashitesh. Okay, thank you Saurav, thank you so much. Okay, so yes, the quiz is about to start, guys, in 4 minutes from now. And I just joined in early today. I actually, and I can actually see that you people have joined before me, so it's great. I mean, thank you so much for your patronage. Thank you so much for your trust. तो आज हम बात करेंगे, इज सेक्स रियली सेक्स विदाउट इंटरकोर्स. So I was talking to a doctor. I mean, he's a doctor, and we were just talking, and I was telling him that, see, being a sex educator, you at times that what is good sex, what is healthy sex, what could be a risky sex. So with this knowledge also comes that you have to make certain decisions. So for my own, I have made a decision that I don't get involved in penetrative sex when I am not sure of the person, like completely sure. Like, see, these days casual sex is a reality. Okay, it's not that it's something wrong. It's good for people who actually want to explore, and even I have done sometimes that. Okay, and thank you. So now that, okay, you want to have casual sex, but you at the same time you also want to protect yourself. You don't want to get into some risk, and there are these are the times when people actually have a lot of sexual partners. That means that there could be a risk of STI, STD, which is like sexually transmitted infections, sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so for my own goodwill, for my own protection, I don't get involved in penetrative intercourse, because these can actually lead to, if the person is infected and you don't know about the history. Okay, so either you be sure of the history or you get regular checkups. So one of my friend, she is like she's also exploring, she is like having sexual partners, and she gets herself checked every year. Okay, so every year she gets a STD test done, STI test done, and a lot of people do this. There should not be a stigma. See, because if you're open to have sex, then you should ensure that you are healthy, you stay healthy. तो मैंने भी वही कहा, मैंने कहा कि भाई मैं टेस्ट वेस्ट तो कराऊंगी नहीं. आई विल नॉट गेट इनटू पेनिट्रेशन, आई विल नॉट गेट इनटू ओरल सेक्स, एंड आई डू रेस्ट ऑफ इट. सो द डॉक्टर वाज सेइंग, देन व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? आई मीन, इफ यू आर नॉट doing penetration, then what is left? And that was like, okay, I really felt quite awkward, that why do we think that penetration is the real sex, right? So the way he remarked that what is there to left when there is no penetration? I mean, what are you doing then? But I think I have done a lot, and even the man has got a lot. So coincidentally, this session has come up that is sex really sex without intercourse? I will definitely say yes. There is a lot of sex even when you don't when you don't get a so my partner is in the town, Dr. Moshmi, and he has actually made this, right? So he has given me the new hairstyle, and I was telling him that today a lot of viewers will definitely notice that, okay, I'm looking different. So all thanks to him. he's a hairstylist, like, yeah. So yeah, so like I was saying that I wished I could have like told this back to the doctor. This was like more than 2 years back, and I did not know so much then, but now I definitely know a lot more. And there is definitely a lot more sex than we think that, okay, it's all about penetration. Even without penetration, you can get a lot of pleasure, a lot of fun, a lot of newness. So I'm really excited to even share this with you, and I'm like really happy also that, okay, if we actually move towards that thinking, we are able to save ourselves more. It's also about safety. Like, okay, you meet this like really cool man, or you really meet this cool woman, and then you are not sure, and like, okay, you want to make out, you want to check out, huh? Oh. So yes, तो ये था कि this is what is the benefits, a lot of benefits of non-penetrative intercourse. So yes, so please do your quizzes. I'm waiting for you, because this is a very precious information. I did like researched a lot to find out what can we try. So all the best for your quiz. Thanks, Kamakshi. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam, Sameer. Hi, Lalita. Hi, Madhu. Hi, Tapushi. Nice name, Tapushi. I love this name. I really can say that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Shweta, right. Yes, Ashwini, new look, new topic, huh? New day. So I think there is still some time for quiz to get over. So whenever you say sex, like, why people are hesitate talking about sex? Because moment you say sex, you automatically imagine penetration. Sex means penetration, like putting something into something, putting a penis into vagina, putting a gun into a hole. I mean, in the slang language, this is how they use. But vagina is not a hot bun, and penis is not a sausage, okay, that you need to put something inside it. And this is not even a lucky draw that, okay, who enters get the prize. These are all conceptions that we have created around sex because we have not been able to openly talk about. So this is where I think non-penetrative sex is incredibly hot, satisfying, pleasuring, and you can still have a oh my god kind of sex even without penetration. So you don't need to put a P into V or a B. So butthole, like if there is a butthole or there is a vagina, you don't need to put something inside it to feel pleasure. You can actually get pleasure without even putting something into something, okay? And that needs a change in mindset, definitely, because any kind of change is not easy. Like, you have been conditioned to think, and even I have been conditioned to think that, okay, sex is like, okay, this is what is sex should be. So can sex be something different? Like, we have learned all this life, like 30 years, 25 years, okay? And then it is suddenly you are asked that, okay, no, this is not just the only sex, there are a lot of sex. So that is like a little bit of discomfort when you have to change. But believe me, if you open your mind, if you are like receptive that, okay, this is also a sex, and you actually drop into your sensation, you drop into your feelings, so you will definitely will be able to find more pleasure. Okay, so just 30 minutes to go for the quiz, and we'll just start. So yes, I think this actually begins with the cultural conditioning of sex. So our culture is overwhelmingly focused on sex as penetration, that this is what is sex should be. And you can actually see this from anywhere. So you see porn, that's how sex is shown, like something like the male is thrusting inside the female, even the even the movies. Okay, so I think the quiz has got over. So let me see the scores. Scores please, guys, scores please. Let's talk about the scores. And yeah, so like I was saying that we live in a culture that is overwhelmingly focused on sex as intercourse. So be it movies, be it books, even you read books, so the hero is thrusting inside the woman. Movie also, the woman is actually sighing and making moaning when like he's coming in. So we get these ideas that sex is intercourse, sex is all intercourse. But for many couples, many lovers, sex only as intercourse is bit problematic. Okay, so great Sitik, great Ashutosh, thank you for sharing your scores. Not to worry, Ranga, you will again get more scores. It's all about thank you for making the effort. 31,000, Gaurav. Oh my god, I think, are you eligible for the iPhone? Samsung phone, yeah? There is a Samsung phone also. So yeah, so like I said that, sex without sex always with intercourse is problematic for a lot of couples. So first, after 40, men have a problem with their erections. So some of them either go for a Viagra or some pills to maintain the erection, but most of the times it is not. Okay, so now you should know that, okay, a lot of times drugs will not always help, and for 30% men that premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction is a reality. So what do you do if moving to a non-penetrative intercourse? I mean, there's nothing like it, because it actually makes, if you think that, okay, sex is the intercourse and my penis is not working well, I mean, it is not. Oh, okay, Dr. Moshmi, thank you so much. Sure. Great, Sandeep. That's my takeaway. That's my biggest takeaway. That why I actually endorse sex without intercourse, because I can actually be intimate with someone I really like, but I'm not sure, And the disease is not something unlike other diseases. Like if you have a fever, if you have a bad stomach, it is like very evident. But sexual diseases actually take a lot of time. And most notoriously, the HIV virus, the AIDS virus, has a window period of up to 4 months. So right from 4 weeks to almost 6 to 8 weeks, the virus remains undetectable, which means it will be there in the bloodstream of the person, and there is no physical sign of being infected with HIV. So that's very harmful period. And even if someone gets detected, checked, then it's again something like, okay, they get to know after 4 months. Otherwise, it can take 5 years to actually come up with the recognizable symptoms. So it's best to stay safe. You don't know. You can just insist to get him an STI or he or she STD or STI test done, but then also there is a chance that if the person is under the window period, the test will still come as negative while virus is present in the bloodstream, because the test detects antibodies, and it actually takes some time for body to produce antibodies in response to the infection. तो बहुत सारे ifs and buts होते हैं. To really know sure about the person history, you have to wait for at least 3 to 4 months, like getting 2 checks. Is it that time we want to afford and we really like them, and maybe they don't have it? I mean, it is just a how do I say, maybe some like suspicion that, okay, I don't know. So it's best to stay apart, like don't have that penetration, don't have the oral sex, but try other things. So this is again a safety modality for those. So like I was checking that, like, after 40, many men actually have a problem with erection. So this is non-penetrative intercourse is good for them. Then even for women with vaginismus. So vaginismus is basically where the vagina is too dry, and it is like there is a lot of pain in penetration. So for those women, penetration is always with pain, and they are very much uncomfortable. Even on around menopause. So if a woman is reaching menopause, then also due to change in her hormone levels, the vagina becomes dry. So she doesn't experience a lot of pleasure. You can actually use lubes, but naturally also there is a lot of dryness. तो vaginal dryness होता है, erection problem होता है. Then only 25%. Yes, I think that's level 4 now. Level 4, stage 4. Level 4 and जो वो होता है. So yes. So now talking about the actually, so these are the problems. Then there are other problems like diabetes, back pain, heart disease, that actually can make non-penetrative sex difficult, because if you really have a cardiac problem, you really cannot, thrust, like you cannot actually afford that, like. So maybe gentler form of other forms. So we are coming to those other forms. Then again, one more even reason for pleasures. These are all like, you know, afflictions. These are all like we said that okay, there is some problem. But even normally also for healthy women, only 25% of women reach orgasm through vaginal intercourse alone. Most of them require a clitoris stimulation. So for that also non-penetrative intercourse is, you know, important. So you can have an erotically fulfilling intercourse without, as I said, putting penis into a vagina. So what are these? So one way could be, you know, you use, it's all about body touching. There is a lot of touch on the body, from your hands, your mouth, then some soft fabrics, lotions, you know, and then even household objects. So these are like, okay, these are something is first comes in the sexual menu. So now I'm talking about sexual menu of non-penetrative intercourse. So it starts with a lot of body touching. Okay, so you can touch body by using both your hands, by your lips, by your tongue, by some soft fabric, by lotions, even using feathers, right? And household objects. So what you can do is actually you can blindfold your partner. Blindfold का मतलब होता है कि पट्टी बांध देना आँख पे, so that they are not able to see what is going, and then you can start touching them with anything. I mean, different household objects of different textures. So maybe you know, a metal something like a potato masher to rub on their cheek buds, or you know, anything like maybe a small wooden stick to just make small circles, small strokes. So you can try different household objects of different textures, apply different pressure, different touches, different strokes, and that can become pleasurable for them because they are not able to see. So now they have to resort to feel, you know, to feel how it feels, and this is amazing. And you can actually use the area of perineum. So perineum is you know, it's the place between the anus and the ball. So the ball and the anus, that middle area is called perineum. So perineum is also has got a lot of sensation, and it actually becomes hard when he's like, you know, coming, when he's arousing, it becomes hard. So it changes in texture. So you can actually stroke the perineum, and that actually leads to a lot of excitement. So ये चीज़ है. Plus you can also make the experience more sensual by using some scarf of yours. For women, you can actually use some scarf that you wear to tie it on the partner, so that has actually your fragrance, so maybe your signature perfume. So he's like, okay, for the first time he's actually focusing on the fragrance and then the feel of touching. It's double exciting. So next come outer course. So outer course is basically where the stimulation, you know, the genitals are meeting outside the vagina. So it's a sexual stimulation without penetration, right? So you can use some lubricants to create a friction. So you can use a oil-based lubricant and a water-based lubricant. But mind you, condoms are not compatible with oil-based lubricants. So you can actually, he can actually put a oil-based lubricant. She can actually use a water-based lubricant that actually enhances friction. And you can just do the genital touching without even entering. So just genital touching is, this is what is called outer course. Now comes finger sex. So finger sex is basically stimulating each other's, inserting the finger, like fingering the woman. So using fingers to penetrate the woman. So that is also because fingers are like really small, tweeny kind of thing. So unlike the penis, the actually erected penis, the finger is slight smaller. So you can actually use finger to use as a kind of penetration. Okay. So then you can actually use the complete repertoire of sex toys, vibrators, dildos, Tenda X. So the thing is, like, when you try these different methods, so it actually increases the dopamine inside your brain. Dopamine increases when there is some difference, okay, something changes, and that leads to heightened erotic intensity. So the novelty is key to sexual zing. कि novelty कैसे कैसे आ सकता है. Plain old missionary position thrusting we all know, we have done since ages, right? But what else? So like I said, that non-penetrative intercourse. Sorry. So yeah, love making without intercourse is something new, something novel. It also increases intimacy between the couple because you have to make an effort. Like you really cannot have a quickie. You know, a lot of times when we have those sexual urges, we just have a quickie matlab, you know, a lot of times you don't even wait for the foreplay, you straight away go for the penetration, and it lasts like 5-10 minutes and then it's over. Though it's pleasurable, but it does not build the intimacy. So intimacy building needs an effort, right? So that you can actually do by using these different methods. So let's talk about other things in the sexual menu. So first thing is hand massaging the penis. Hand massaging, हाथ से penis का massage करना. Now a lot of times some men say that okay, they're not getting the same sensation as they do masturbation, you know, when their partner is doing. तो अगर पार्टनर है, आपकी पार्टनर है जो हैंड मसाज कर रही है, आपको एक हैंड जॉब दे रही है, एंड यू थिंक दैट नो शी इज़ नॉट डूइंग प्रॉपरली, आई एक्चुअली फील मोर प्लेजर व्हेन आई डू इट माई सेल्फ, लाइक व्हेन आई masturbate. So in that case you can actually show the woman how you want it to be done. Okay, so you can actually demonstrate it to her by masturbating in front of her. तो अब ये बहुत लोगों के लिए awkward सी सिचुएशन होती है कि how can I masturbate in front of her, but I have my male partners masturbating in front of me, and I think that's perfectly fine. In fact, it actually builds intimacy because see, you are revealing your own pleasure to her, right? So and then she learns how to give you the right stroke, where exactly you like to be stroked, long strokes, short strokes, circular, you know, some like rubbing. So there are different kind of strokes. So what stroke exactly you like on which region of your penis? Okay, so that is where you can actually demonstrate it to her by masturbating in front of her, and it gives her the confidence also that okay, yes, my partner is so much revealing to me, so it also builds her confidence. तो ये try कर सकते हैं. Masturbate in front of your partner. I mean, don't ask them to masturbate you. Definitely, there is something called mutual masturbation, which is also into the non-penetrative intercourse. But you can actually masturbate in front of them to show how you want to be pleasured. This I have done. I have done in front of my partner also. तो ये होता है, ये intimacy build करता है. It is there, Kuldeep, but it is not the only thing. मतलब हमें लगता है कि satisfaction तभी मिलेगा जब penetration होगा. ये एक mind का blockage है. Okay, and this is something created by porn, movies, you know, those cheap sex education, sex magazines. तो एक अलग एक नया landscape ये है non-penetrative intercourse. So definitely we are talking about some of them. So kunyaza, let's talk about kunyaza. Kunyaza is an African practice which are done by heterosexual couples like since hundreds of years. एंड उसमें क्या होता है कि मेल जो होता है अपने पीनस से रिदमिकली एंड फर्मली स्ट्राइक्स द क्लिटोरिस ऑफ द वुमन. अपने पीनस से स्ट्राइक ऑन द वल्वा एंड द क्लिटोरिस ऑफ द वुमन एंड विदाउट एंटरिंग. सो इट इज जस्ट ही इज लाइक स्ट्रोकिंग पीनस ऑन द वुमन्स जेनाइटल without entering. That is what is called kunyaja. So what happens is with the touch of penis, the vulva starts to swell. You know, it will become aroused, so it will swell. So what you can do is stroke कैसे होगा? Top to bottom and then left to right and top to bottom, and with each stroke you will again hit at the clitoris. Like hitting means stroking the clitoris. So top to bottom of the vulva and then again tuck clitoris, left to right of the vulva and then again tuck clitoris. So returning to strike the clitoris after each rotation. This is what is kunyaza. And then stimulating the whole vulva area with long strokes. तो पहले top to bottom, left to right, and then stimulating the whole vulva using long strokes, but never penetrating. तो कुन्याजा का जो लिटरल मीनिंग होता है स्क्विटिंग और यूरिनेशन. बेसिकली यूरिनेशन का मतलब है वुमन इज सो मच अराउज दैट शी वांट्स टू यूरिनेट. तो वो एक फीलिंग जो होती है वो अर्ज वाली फीलिंग होती है. कुन्याजा का मतलब वो होता है. कुन्याजा, प्लीज यू कैन एक्चुअली डू अ सर्च you know on Redwomb also, like the website I maintain, there is an article dedicated to kunyaza, so you can actually see all the steps like how kunyaza is done with the diagrams. Right now let's talk about non-penetrative sex toys. Non-penetrative sex toys are something called tenda eggs. So tenda eggs are basically softy, stretchy, hollow ovals. तो oval type का shape होता है. Thanks, Hetal. So kunyaza, as I said, top to bottom, left to right, and then whole vulva by using long strokes, and with each stroke you have to come back again to the clitoris and strike it with the penis. This is what is kunyaza. There's a lot of information on internet also, like you can actually read through articles how to. Kunyaza is amazing. A lot of women like it. In fact, one of my clients, I explained him that this is how kunyaza is done. He actually did it with his wife and he was like, oh god मैम आपने क्या बता दिया. तो ये बहुत अच्छा टेक्निक है. प्लीज़ डू रिसर्च अबाउट कुन्याजा. देयर इज़ अ बुक ऑल्सो रिटन ऑन द कुन्याजा. सो एंड देन इट्स एन अफ्रीकन टेक्निक. यू नो, you always see, okay, other cultures, what they are like, we all have cultural differences, so we even have cultural differences in sexuality, sexual pleasure. Kunyaza, I love the name personally. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट टेंडा एग्स. टेंडा एग्स आर बेसिकली यूज्ड फॉर मेल प्लेजर. तो बहुत सारे मैन कहते हैं आप बताते नहीं हैं, आप सिर्फ महिलाओं की बात करती है, तो मैं उनके लिए खासकर बता रही हूँ. टेंडा एग होता है, इट्स लाइक सॉफ्ट, स्ट्रेची, स्क्विशी, हॉलो ओवल. इट्स अ ओवल शेप, एग के शेप में होता है, एंड देर इज अ होल इन द बॉटम. So you can pour a little lube inside the hole, and then you can actually use it to give your partner a hand job. Okay, so you can actually use it to give your partner a hand job, and you can actually use different lubricants for a sloppier, slippier kind of experience. ठीक है. तो टेंडा के बहुत सारी वेराइटीज़ होते हैं, अंदर के टेक्सचर्स भी डिफरेंट होते हैं. टेंडा एग यू कैन एक्चुअली फाइंड ऑन इन ऑनलाइन स्टोर. सो इट्स समथिंग दैट यू कैन डेफिनेटली यूज एज अ सेक्स टॉय फॉर नॉन पेनिट्रेटिव सेक्स. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन अबाउट पेरिनियम, दैट between the guy's balls and the anus lies a small area, and that is like it hardens as he does. So you can actually even stroke the perineum by using the knuckles. तो ये knuckles होते हैं, finger knuckles होते हैं, उसको आप perineum पे ऐसे stroke कर सकते हो by using the first finger and the middle finger का knuckles. So that is something like you can actually grip, you can actually rub, you can actually flesh down. So perineum has a lot of sexual pleasure for men. It is the area between the balls and the anus. Now you can actually have just a chilled out session. Okay, so it is like nil penetration playtime picnic. Nil penetration playtime picnic क्या होता है उसमें? You can just lie on your backs, relax on a Sunday afternoon. Because क्या होता है, night जो होती है ना, night is more tensed. Okay, it is more intensified कि night है तो एक pressure आता है कि sex करना है. But afternoon में we just lazy around. Okay, so you can have some finger food, like you can actually eat some food and put on some music and have some non-alcoholic fizz or maybe some slight booze, and then sit opposite to each other in comfortable undergarments. So you can sit opposite to each other in comfortable undergarments or robes. So you can wear just loose robes and mix up chat with touching the body. So you can snack, you can chat, you can touch, you can stroke, you can kiss. So, and you can even masturbate each other if you want. So that is something that you always see, that bedroom is like something about, no, it has to be frantic fucking every time. It has to be like there has to be intercourse. No, it's not necessary. You can actually have a very chilled out, thrilling experience without even actually getting to intercourse, because for a lot of time people have this pressure to have sex. जब आपका रिलेशनशिप बढ़ता जाता है, आप रिलेशनशिप में लंबा जाते हो, तो आपको कई बार लगता है सेक्स इज लाइक ओके, इट हैज बिकम अ प्रेशर, इट हैज बिकम अ मोरल ड्यूटी दैट आई हैव टू हैव सेक्स. थैंक्स सुनीता. तो वो जो मोरल ड्यूटी तो उसको हम हटा सकते हैं बाय जस्ट एक्सपैंडिंग आवर थिंकिंग दैट ओके वी कैन हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेजर. लाइक आई सेड दैट यू कैन हैव अ चिल्ड आउट प्ले टाइम नॉन पेनिट्रेटिव एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, इट्स लाइक पिकनिक, नॉन पेनिट्रेटिव पिकनिक. पिकनिक में क्या करते हैं, खाते हैं, ठीक है, मस्ती से बैठते हैं, आराम से बैठते हैं, बातें करते हैं, चैट करते हैं. उसमें थोड़ा प्ले टाइम ला सकते हो, थोड़ा छू सकते हो, राइट, थोड़ा किस कर सकते हो, थोड़ा टच कर सकते हो. प्रेशर हटा दो कि किसिंग का मतलब सेक्स करना ही है, ज़रूरी नहीं है. उस मोमेंट में आप जाओ. ओके, गेट इन टू दैट मोमेंट, फील दैट मोमेंट. आई थिंक वी आर सो मच इम्पेशेंट एंड वी आर सो मच अशेम्ड ऑफ आवर सेक्सुअलिटी दैट वी जस्ट वांट टू रन ओवर द मोमेंट. वी थिंक दैट जल्दी से फिनिश करना है, ख़त्म करना है. क्यों जल्दी है भाई? Right, so you can actually take time, take pause, take repose, and then you actually feel more, you live more. So be creative in the bedroom. Okay, I will say be creative, and that takes an effort, but it is definitely worth it. So most of us, for quickie is the easiest reason. Jaldi se put down your pants, get inside each other, thrust, and done. But try different things, right? So what else? I think yeah, and be mindful of the pleasure. Okay, be mindful. Like when you are touching them, जब हम टच करते हैं तो हमें फील होना चाहिए कि हमारी उंगलियों को कैसा फील हो रहा है. ओके, वो ऑब्जेक्ट कैसा फील हो रहा है हमारे हाथ में. जैसे मान लो मैंने सपोज आई पिक दिस ऑब्जेक्ट एंड आई जस्ट यूज इट टू रब. सो इट इज़ लाइक चिलिंग सेंसेशन. मेटल होता है तो चिलिंग सेंसेशन होता है. सो हाउ डज इट फील? सो यू कैन एक्चुअली यूज दिस मेटल. तो मेटल जैसे एक सॉफ्ट मेटल है, तो यू कैन जस्ट फील दैट हाउ इट इज़ टू टेक दिस इन योर हैंड्स एंड हाउ डज इट feel to touch here. Even the partner, how does it feel? So be mindful, be present for all the feelings. This is very important. Then my personal favorite is frottage. Frottage is also called as dry humping. मतलब जब हम we actually get inside the force, like the male is getting inside the woman with like thrusting. So they are not like naked, they are wearing their pants, so you are actually thrusting. So it is called dry humping. So basically there is no exchange of liquids. Okay, and you actually can have the similar kind of penetrative sex experience without exchanging the body fluid. So frottage is something that is frottage, dry humping, like without undoing your clothes, you can actually recreate the penetration experience, but penetration is not happening. So it is again a form of outer course, and it prevents pregnancy because there is no actually penis going to the vagina. नेक्स्ट कम्स मेकिंग आउट. मतलब बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि मेकिंग आउट में क्या है, सेक्स तो नहीं हुआ ना, सेक्स तो नहीं हुआ. अरे यार, आई एम लाइक लिटरली आई एम टायर्ड टू से दैट यू डू नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेट द सेक्शुअल पावर ऑफ एन इंटेंस मेकिंग आउट सेशन. Okay, kissing can be very intimate. Kissing, like deep mouth kissing, and while you're kissing, you're stimulating the sexy parts of each other with toy, with hands, with fingers, anything. So kissing and stimulating the genital parts with hands, that is what is called making out. And you can kiss as much until your lips are like, okay, now I want a medical attention, I cannot kiss you anymore. मतलब तब तक kiss कर सकते हैं. So kissing is like, it helps in boosting up the mood, even prevents cavities. And it's like you keep, you are healthy. So be a great kisser. Okay, I am a great kisser. I love kissing like anything. So it really sometimes it disappoints me and it pains me when men say that kissing ही तो हुआ है, कुछ तो और नहीं हुआ है. ऐसा क्यों लगता है आपको? Why is the vagina the gold hole that okay, I have to get to the lottery? It seems to me like that when we so much emphasize on penetration. I completely understand though. I'm not saying that नहीं penetration का ऐसा वो होता है, नहीं सही नहीं है. It is enjoyable, definitely enjoyable. But in case either by choice or by some reason, like I said, some problems, you think that penetration is not your thing, it's completely okay. You can actually try a lot of things sexually and still give the same satisfaction. Okay, so I'm really ending this session with a very positive note कि आज हमने फाइनली सेक्स को समझा कि सेक्स क्या होता है. सेक्स इज नॉट इंटरकोर्स, सेक्स देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. बी द फोर्स, be empowered, be educated, be blessed. So take care. Love you all.